This is a review of the Makerspace at the Orem Public Library. It is open on Mondays and Wednesdays from 4 to 8 p.m. and on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 5 p.m. After going into the library's front entrance, you turn left, cross the bridge, pass through the library's nonfiction section, head downstairs, turn left, and the Makerspace room is on the left. We first found out about the Makerspace last December when we saw a flyer mentioning that the library had 3D printers. Our 4- and 7-year-olds were wanting to make something for their older brothers for Christmas, and this was a perfect fit. They found some fun ideas on the website Thingiverse, an articulated T-Rex and a dog that holds earbuds. The library charges you 10 cents per gram of filament used with a $1 minimum. The Makerspace staff will help you get your project set up and let you know in advance how much it will cost. Our items are about $1 to $2 each. Depending on the complexity of the item, it can take a couple hours for the printing process. You're free to leave and come back and pick it up later. They put the charge on your library card so you can pay when you check out. The only other thing in the Makerspace that costs money is the button maker at 50 cents per button. To use the silhouette and Cricut cutters, make sure you bring your own materials. On this last trip, we brought some paper to cut out St. Patrick's Day decorations. There's a lot of other equipment here that you can use. If you have old VHS or cassette tapes, they have the station set up here that you can convert them into digital files. We've enjoyed our experiences at the Makerspace and wanted others to know about it. It's definitely worth checking out next time you're at the library. If this video was helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button.